What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, there is some breaking news that is coming in, and it is that Jacob Zuma's eldest daughter has laid a criminal case of human trafficking fraud against Duduzile Zuma and two others, in relation to sending men, 17 men to Europe there. So, Duduzile Zuma's problems, they are mounting like one on top of the other. And as you currently know, Duduzile Zuma is in court right now in relation to the July riots in 2021. And now there is this case that has been filed against her. Can you imagine? By her own sister. So this is not a case, that was filed by just some ordinary person. This is her own sister who has filed this case. So I mean, when you see a situation whereby your own sister is filing a case against you, it means that they have something like really tangible evidence. Because I don't think, there is any sister out there, who can just file criminal charges against her own sister, simply because she hates her or whatever it is. I feel like there is fire to this one, not just smoke, because they used to say that where there is smoke, there is fire. But in this instance, I strongly believe, that there is serious fire because this eldest daughter, she is not, one of those pompous woman who is always out there on the media, trying to grab headlines unnecessarily. This is one of those women who are just quiet and doing their own thing, and here she is, filing a criminal case against Duduzile Zuma. So for Duduzile Zuma herself, this means that she has to bring in Talimpofu again to defend her in this scenario. I mean, there is chaos there by the Zuma family, in as much as people are saying Jacob Zuma can unite Africa, can unite South Africa. It seems in his own household, in his own family, there are serious problems, that he has to bring into place. But anyway, this is the latest news coming in, and I feel like there is something really concrete here, but we'll be getting the news as we'll be going forward. I'll catch you guys on the next one.